This is a Windows 11 running inside a VirtualBox. If you're planning to install Windows 11 on your PC or laptop and don't want to take a risk by replacing with Windows 10, well, with the help of a VirtualBox, you can install Windows 11 on your PC without the need for dual boot or replacing the current Windows 10. Now, Oracle's VirtualBox is an application software that emulates the hardware environment using a host OS and lets you install Windows 11 without any issues. Now, this way you can run Windows 11 using a VirtualBox inside any host OS. Hey guys, my name is KSKRL. In this video, I will show you how to install Windows 11 on a virtual machine using a VirtualBox. Let's get started. Since we are installing Windows 11 inside a virtual machine, you need a PC or laptop running a Windows 10, a Linux, or Mac OS. For the demonstration, I'm using a Windows 10 on my host computer. Also, you need an 8 gigs or higher RAM is required, a 64-bit quad-core processor with virtualization support, and you need a 50 gigabytes of free space available on the host OS. Now, to check whether your system supports virtualization technology, open Run, then type cmd, and inside the command prompt type system information. Now, at the bottom you will see the status of the virtualization. Now, if it's disabled, you have to enable it from BIOS. Now, without this option enabled, you cannot run Windows 11 inside a virtual machine. Now, open the first link from the description. This should take you to this page and download the latest version of the VirtualBox. Now, in my case, I'm using a Windows 10 computer, so I would choose this option. Now, if you're using a Mac or Linux, you can use these options. Next, head over to this link. Now, from here, you can download the latest version of Windows 11 ISO. Now, once it's done downloading all the files, place them somewhere on your computer for easier navigation. Now, go ahead and install the VirtualBox. Now, on a Windows computer, you just need to run the setup file and follow the on-screen instructions. For Mac and Linux users, check the link below to learn installing a VirtualBox. It's time to create a new virtual machine for Windows 11. Now, open the VirtualBox, then go ahead and click on Create a New Virtual Machine from the main menu. Name the virtual machine as Windows 11, then the VirtualBox will automatically select the type and version. A machine folder is a place where it's going to store all the contents of this virtual machine. And once it's done naming the VM, so click on Next. Now, allocate the RAM of at least a 4 gigs or higher. Then under the hard disk, leave the default option and click on Create. The file type for the hard disk should be a VDI and click on Next. Now, choose Dynamically Allocated and allocate a 50 GB or higher for this virtual machine. Now, once it's done, click on Create to finish the changes. Now, we are done creating a Windows 11 virtual machine. Now, it's time to configure the virtual machine. To do so, select the Windows 11 virtual machine, then click on Settings. Now, choose a system. Then for the processor, I will assign a 2 cores to be used. Now, if your system processor supports a more physical cores, you can use as many you want. Now, select the storage option and click on Empty DVD icon. Now, under the attributes, click on the DVD menu and attach the Windows 11 ISO to this virtual machine. Now it's time to run the virtual machine to install Windows 11. Now keep in mind, if you click inside the virtual machine, the mouse control will be used by the virtual machine. Now pressing the right control key on your host keyboard releases the mouse control back to the host OS. Now press any key to boot into Windows 11 setup. Here choose a language, time, keyboard layout, and click on next. Now click on install. If you're using a Windows 11 activation key, so you can use here. Now for now, I will choose this option. Now choose the Windows 11 flavor. Now I will go with a Windows 11 Pro. Now once it's done, click on next. Now as you can see, the virtual machine says this PC can't run Windows 11 due to the lack of TPM support. Now by default, the VirtualBox doesn't support emulating the TPM. So to fix this issue, we're going to make a few changes to the registry. Now this indeed is going to bypass all Windows 11 requirements. Now anyway, to fix this issue, now on your keyboard, hold Shift plus F10 to open a command prompt. Then inside the command prompt, type regedit. Now this will launch the registry editor. Now here you need to pay a very close attention. Now inside here, choose an H key, local machine. Then select a system and choose setup. Now inside the setup folder, now we need to create a subfolder. To do so, select the setup folder and click on edit from the menu bar. Choose a new key and name as lab config. Now make sure you type exactly what you see here. Now this is very important, all the upper and lowercase letters should be the same as mine. Now inside this lab config, we're going to create a 3 debug keys. To do so, select the lab config, then click on edit, choose new and select a debug 32-bit and name this debug as a bypass TPM check. Now again, type exactly what you see here, it's very case sensitive. Then double click on this and change the value from 0 to 1. Now repeat the same process for secure boot and RAM checks. And that's it. Now we have a 3 debug keys. This will tell the Windows 11 installer to bypass all these checks. Now once it's done, I close the regedit and command prompt. Now go back to the previous page on the installer, choose the Windows version here and click on next. Now here you can see it's no longer showing the error message. Accept the license terms and conditions. Now choose the custom option here and you can see an unallocated free space. Now go ahead, select this free space and click on new to create a partition for Windows 11. Now select the main primary partition and click on next to start installing Windows 11. Now sit back and relax, don't interrupt, the installation will take some time. And once it's done, the virtual machine should boot into Windows 11. Now as you can see, we are inside the welcome screen. Here choose the country or region and select the keyboard layout and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Now as you can see, the Windows 11 works fine, but if you notice, Windows 11 is not running on a full screen mode. So we're going to fix this issue by installing a VirtualBox Guest Edition tools that contain a bunch of drivers to run the virtual machine properly. To install the Guest Edition drivers, select Devices and choose a Guest Edition tools. Now inside the My Computer, you can see the DVD drive has been mounted. Now open this folder. Now inside here, look for this VBox Windows Edition. Right click on it and choose to run as administrator and install. Now once it's done, restart the virtual machine. Now as you can see, the Windows 11 is running in full screen mode. Now, there might be a little bit of lag compared to Windows 10 running on a physical hardware, but still it's great to use a VirtualBox to test out Windows 11 and further proceed to install on a main hardware. And that's pretty much it. Watch my other Windows 11 videos, links in the description down below. If in case you like this video, hit the thumbs up button down there. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, consider hitting the bell icon to receive the latest videos. Thanks for watching this video. This has been KSQL. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.